Okay, after moving by hand, moving here and here and here, then contact the controller to here. This is input power, and this one is button, and this one is contact the welding power. Welding power here. It also contact the welding power. This one, and this one, and then this one is a machine to the welding power, and contact the welding wire. And here is contact the gas. Then inside the welding wire, and open let the wire to here, then closed. Must change the number. 1.2 is use the 1.2 when why. If you not 1.2, then change the direction. This one lose the wire, and change the fraction, change the direction. Okay. The welding power input is 3 AC. This what it is, and the machine the voltage is 220 voltage. After we do it, we will start we'll turn the machine. Then we turn the machine and check here is working, right? And see the controller. Start. Controller will start. This start the process about 2 minutes. We waited. Okay. We wait a moment.